Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. Here I have cut some happy sentiment from my die cut in my big shot machine, and I have cut some layers and my card base I have prepared already. If you want to see how I prepare my card base and layer, please, I will put my link on somewhere on the screen, or I will put it in description as well. You can go to that video and please have a look on that. I have explained in detail how I make my layers and a card base. So as you can have already seen in my thumbnail what we are making today. So for that it is a technique. You can use this technique in many ways. So what I am doing here is I have already cut these sentiments with using double-sided adhesive sheets. These are the sheets of double-sided tape adhesive sheets, and it is in bigger size. It is not half inch. As you get double-sided tapes in different sizes, this sheet is in A4 size or less than A4 size also it is available. So these are beneficial for cutting these kind of die cuts, very intricate. So you get adhesive on the back, it is easier to stick on your paper this way. With the spray and glues, it is difficult to put behind these dies. So here I am removing the extra bits of these die cut. I should have removed this beforehand, but nevertheless. So here what I will do, I have planned to place these die cuts randomly. So we are doing that. And one thing more, I wanted to talk to you guys also regarding the subscriptions. So I have seen so many I don't know, I am new to the YouTube, so I don't know how it works, but I see in my YouTube that so many impression comes but very few likes, and I think very less subscription. So I don't know what is the reason. If you are experts there who know how it works, please let me know why it happens like this. So, and for the people who are watching me, if you are liking my video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and share to people who like crafting and who will benefit with these videos. So I am having this skill. See, let me explain what I am doing there also on the screen. So I am randomly putting these sentiments, and I will just, whatever is hanging off, I will just snip it from there. So randomly I am placing it in a way they will come in a row and not in a specific manner. Like if there is happy, then it shouldn't be, if another happy is continuing there, but how much is the paper is, I am just cutting on there. So randomly I am placing it, so you can watch me there how I am doing it randomly. Maybe I will fast forward it in some areas so that you can just watch me over. There is nothing much to explain here, but that's why I am taking the opportunity to talk to you guys about the YouTube thing. So please, I will put my email address in the description box, and it is in bio also, to let me know how it works, if you can help me on that. And I will appreciate if you subscribe my channel and be part of this family. And it is really nice. See, when you are if you are new to anything, like if, see, sometime back there was a Facebook thing then. So people used to just see if I have uploaded a picture, so how many likes are there, who all are commented, who all have seen. So social media is like you are just stick to that. So but I was not on my Facebook thing so much, but yes, Now I have started this, and I'm very small. There are very big people also in this field who make these kind of videos, educational videos on crafting. And this is a skill actually which I have, and I wanted to, I'm not doing any business here, I just wanted to spread this skill, and I want many people to join with this and get benefit of this. So I would love if you know people who like these kind of videos, so please do share this video with them so that they can learn such skill that they can benefit with that. With this skill, see, these are very different cards, so you can make your business out of these also. So though I am not doing that, I am not doing any business right now. This is my hobby, and I am doing it as my hobby. So maybe in future, if I have some demand to buy or anything, so I will sell also. I am a Dubai based crafter, so if people are in Dubai wanted to buy or wanted to make cards on order or many things I do, so you can just contact me on my email address, which I have given you on my bio also, and I will write in description also, and you can connect with me there. But all around the world, I will just say, please share my channel to people who like to learn this skill and benefit. So here what I am doing is, I have cut my birthday sentiment, which I have shown you some time back here on the screen. So I will put that sentiment there on the bottom. So I was just measuring till where I have to put my sentiments. So it is up to you, you want to put it little closer. So please hit that like button. I'm talking too much today. Thank you so much. Don't go without hitting that like button and sharing the video. And obviously you have to subscribe and hit that bell icon also, so that you will get my other videos whenever I upload. So now I was checking till when I have to put my these sentiment of happy. So you can use, I am doing it white on white, you can do it in colors also. And see, imagination is yours. This is an idea. You can copy this card also, and you can enjoy using this card as is, or I have given you a idea how you can use your whatever material you have. You can use this technique to give little dimensional look to your card, and it looks really good and professional. So these are the cards. When you have these cards in hands, no, you don't want to throw these cards, you want to save these cards, preserve these cards, and you might want to decorate these cards also. These are that beautiful. So see, sometimes in some areas people think, oh, this is a paper, who will like this, and who will take, you just see the card and you throw, it's a paper. But no, when you get these card in your hands, you will not feel like to throw this, you will save these are that beautiful cards. So believe me, stay here, stay connected to my channel and learn this skill, and you can create your business also out of this skill. So here from this paper I have cut my that sentiment. So here is a tip. These are the separate letters, and when you will stick those letters on the paper, it will be up and down if you randomly place them. So if you want to want them in one line, you can use this stencil and glue it, stick on this stencil and glue it, and when you glued it, just remove the stencil. But I am not using that skill today because I am using glue. I forgot totally to put my double-sided adhesive sheet, as I have put in my happy sentiment to them. it would be really easy for me if I have put those double-sided sheet in this paper. But now you will see doing what I am doing here, how I am adhering my paper. I have just taken little glue on a rough paper, and I am placing my ruler on the bottom so that my sentiment is in one line. This is a simple ruler. There is a T ruler also come, and you can use that also, but in my opinion you don't have to spend that much. Whatever you have, you can just put some idea and use your things which you have in your hand. So very quickly, let me just stick this there. I am just fast forwarding this part because I am sure you don't want to see me gluing this all along. I request you to hit that like button please, and subscribe the channel. And I'm just fast forwarding it to glue, and this is how. And the paper in the ombre effect I have done with my distress ink, and I will come with that video also soon, how to make your distress paper from your distress inks. So these inks are really very good to use in your card making, and you can make any color of paper also with them if you don't have any paper in your craft room. So these inks are really handy. So this is how I have made this card, and thank you so much for being with me in this video. And this is I have stick in my with the foam tape on my card base, and this is the beauty which we have crafted today. So thank you for being with me today here, and I will come back to you with new videos soon.